What is a DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization? A DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, is a company set up to run by code on the blockchain. The people who owns tokens associated with a DAO are responsible for voting on changes and proposing new ideas to keep the DAO up and running and improving. DAO is similar to any traditional organization, but the key difference is that it is autonomous. It operates completely transparently and independently of any human intervention, including its original creators. In today's video, we're showing you everything about DAO, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Without further ado, let's begin. How it's done. DAOs are run by programming code written on a collection of smart contracts written on any open blockchains like Ethereum. A core team of community members establishes the rule of DAO through the use of smart contracts. These smart contracts define how the DAO will operate. All the smart contracts are publicly available and highly visible. After writing all these rules on a blockchain, DAO receives funding through token issuance, which by the protocol sells tokens to raise funds and increase the value of DAO. In return, token holders are given certain voting rights, usually proportional to their holdings. After the funding, DAO is ready for deployment. Once the DAO is released and there are no people involved, it can't be changed by other means other than a consensus reached through member voting. So, DAO cannot be modified by any authority. It is entirely up to the community of token holders. How is DAO useful? There are many advantages to decentralized autonomous organizations. One of the biggest benefits is that they are more efficient than traditional companies because there are no middlemen or third parties involved in transactions between members and customers. They can also provide improved transparency through their use of open source software, which allows anyone with internet access to view all transactions made within an organization at any time. This makes it easier for people to see how their money is being spent and where funds are going. Borrowing, decentralized trading, and even NFTs are all included. DAOs are highly attractive to the crypto community due to their potential applications in the DeFi space, but outside of it too. DAOs have a wide range of use cases, including investment, fundraising campaigns, lending, etc. Limitations of DAO. The absence of a central authority can harm decision-making within the DAO network. This happens when token holders take too much time to make decisions. Due to the complexity of a DAO's code, it may be difficult to fix any occurring bugs. Furthermore, once the code has been uploaded, it's next to impossible to alter it. Thus, if a bug has been spotted, the entire code will have to be rewritten from scratch. Popular DAOs. Uniswap. Uniswap is one of the most popular decentralized exchanges with a self-sustained automated trading system. Its governance token UNI sits at #1 spot on CoinMarketCap with the largest market capitalizations amongst DAOs in February 2022. AAVE. AAVE is a decentralized lending protocol where lenders earn interest by depositing funds into liquidity pools. Borrowers then use this liquidity to create crypto collaterals to receive flash loans. DAOstack. Launched in 2018, DAOstack is an open-source DAO platform that enables the creations of decentralized apps, DAOs, and several DAO tools. It offers a modular smart contract framework, a JavaScript developer environment, and a friendly UI that empowers anyone literally to create and become part of a decentralized organization. Aragon. Aragon is a suite of applications and services for creating and managing decentralized autonomous organizations on the Ethereum blockchain and its own Rinkaby network. The software provided by Aragon can be used to set up clubs, non-profits, other organizations that collectively manage finances as well as decision-making via its decentralized apparatus. Another great thing about Aragon is that it's highly scalable and allows users to implement many advanced features. So that's all about the video. Let us know your view in the comments below.